Al-yawma akmaltu lakum din. It has been now made complete. Because now, after a long journey of social evolution, man has reached this level that he has a concept of a social system, social order. Now, after the maturity of the understanding and intelligence and philosophical thought of man, now man is mature enough to get the guidance, total guidance forever. And now, due to the scientific and technological advance, it is possible that whole humanity can come under one Rasul. That is why he was sent for the whole of humanity. He was given Al-Huda, the final and complete guidance, and he was given the Deenul Haq, that is the just social order, complete in every respect, political, social, as well as economic.